Our story begins not in a lab, but beneath the shimmering blue waters of the Aegean Sea in the year 1900, a time when the world was still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. A Greek sponge diving crew, led by the experienced captain Dimitrios Kontos, is caught in a sudden, violent storm, and forced to anchor their small boat near the remote island of Antikythera, a rugged outpost between Crete and mainland Greece. When the storm finally passes, diver Elias Stadiatis bravely descends into the depths. Moments later he bursts to the surface, wide-eyed and breathless, claiming to have seen what looked like a graveyard of lifeless bodies scattered across the seafloor. Curious and concerned, Captain Kontos dons his own diving suit and plunges into the water, but instead of corpses, he finds something astonishing: bronze and marble statues, their features worn by centuries underwater, lying among the wreckage of a long-lost ship. The divers soon realize they have stumbled upon the remains of a Roman-era cargo ship, a vessel that had vanished beneath the waves nearly 2,000 years ago, its secrets hidden from the world. Driven by excitement and curiosity, the crew embarks on a perilous salvage operation. They haul up statues, delicate glassware, and intricately painted pottery, risking their lives with every dive into the unpredictable sea. Among the dazzling treasures, they find a strange, corroded lump of bronze. It appears unremarkable, overshadowed by the beauty of the statues and the allure of gold and jewels. The artifact is packed up with the rest and sent to the National Archaeological Museum in Athens. There, it sits quietly in storage, ignored and gathering dust for months, as curators focus on the more spectacular finds. Overshadowed by the grandeur of the statues and the allure of ancient art, no one suspects that this humble lump holds a secret that will change history. Yet, within this unassuming mass of bronze lies a mystery more profound than any artwork, a puzzle waiting to be solved. It is, in fact, a key to a lost world of technology, a glimpse into the astonishing capabilities of ancient engineers. This artifact is a message from the past, challenging everything we thought we knew about the ingenuity and scientific knowledge of the ancient Greeks. The greatest treasure from the Antikythera wreck wasn't the art or the gold, it was the science, hidden in plain sight. This unassuming object would soon capture the attention of historians and scientists, and ultimately, it would rewrite the story of human innovation. The divers, unaware of their true achievement, had unknowingly recovered what would become known as the world's oldest known computer, the Antikythera Mechanism. The journey to unlock its secrets was just beginning, setting off a century-long quest that would fascinate generations of researchers and puzzle the brightest minds. Sometimes, the most extraordinary discoveries come disguised as ordinary things, reminding us that history's greatest surprises often lie hidden, waiting for curious minds to bring them to light. In the heart of Athens, tucked away in the National Archaeological Museum, a strange, corroded bronze lump sat quietly on a shelf, largely unnoticed by visitors and curators alike. For years it was just another relic, until, in 1902, the artifact cracked open, revealing secrets that would astonish the world. Archaeologist Valerios Stais, while examining the fragments, peered inside and saw something truly shocking: a gear wheel, hidden within the ancient bronze, a gear crafted in ancient Greece. The very idea defied all expectations and challenged everything scholars thought they knew about ancient technology. Many scholars doubted its authenticity, insisting that such advanced mechanical technology could only have come from medieval Europe, not the ancient world. Some dismissed the gear as a later addition, perhaps accidentally mixed in with the ancient shipwreck's cargo. But as conservators painstakingly cleaned the fragments, more evidence emerged. Additional gears, mysterious dials, and Greek inscriptions began to appear, hinting at a much more complex device. The object soon became known as the Antikythera Mechanism, a true puzzle box from the distant past, shrouded in mystery. Researchers discovered dozens of interlocking gears, each one meticulously crafted with astonishing precision for its time. The inscriptions reference the sun, the moon, and the zodiac, suggesting a connection to astronomy and timekeeping. This was no simple clock. It was an astronomical calculator, capable of predicting celestial events and tracking complex cycles. The implications were staggering. This device proved that advanced mechanical engineering existed 1,500 years before anyone had previously thought possible. The Antikythera Mechanism revealed a lost tradition of ancient technology, suggesting that the Greeks possessed knowledge and skills that had been forgotten for centuries. Its discovery forced historians and scientists to reconsider what the ancients truly knew, and how much of their ingenuity has been lost to time. It raises a tantalizing question. What other wonders, what other marvels of ancient engineering, have been lost to the depths, waiting to be rediscovered? This single device shattered the established timeline of technological progress, rewriting our understanding of history. The ancient world, it turns out, was far more advanced and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Investigating the mechanism was like piecing together a shattered relic. The device was in 82 fragments, a 3D jigsaw puzzle. Historian Derek J. de Sola Price spent years studying the gears and inscriptions. In the 1970s, he proposed it was an ancient computer, modeling the motions of the heavens. He found gear teeth counts matching astronomical cycles, like the 235-tooth gear for the Metonic cycle. This proved the device was a scientific instrument. Research project harnessed the power of advanced X-ray tomography to peer inside the ancient bronze fragments, revealing secrets hidden for centuries. For the very first time, every gear, dial, and inscription emerged in stunning three-dimensional detail. The scans allowed scientists to virtually reconstruct the device piece by piece. The X-ray images uncovered at least 30 precision-crafted gears and thousands of tiny Greek characters. A user's manual, painstakingly etched in bronze, preserved through the ages. The mechanism was designed to model the movements of the sun, the moon, and all 5 planets known to the ancient Greeks, capturing the dance of the heavens in metal. Ingeniously, it even accounted for the moon's irregular orbit using a sophisticated pin-and-slot mechanism, an innovation centuries ahead of its time. This extraordinary level of mechanical engineering would not be seen again for nearly 1,000 years, until the rise of medieval European clockworks. The device could predict eclipses, track the cycles of the Olympic Games, and unify astronomy, astrology, and Greek culture in a single, breathtaking artifact. The Antikythera Mechanism was, in essence, a mechanical cosmos, a physical textbook of ancient science and ingenuity. X-rays finally unlocked secrets that had been sealed away for 2 millennia, illuminating the inner workings of this ancient marvel. The true complexity and sophistication of the device was now undeniable, challenging our assumptions about ancient technology. The ancient Greeks had astonishingly built a working model of the universe, an achievement that continues to inspire awe today. The past, as revealed by the Antikythera Mechanism, was far more sophisticated and inventive than we ever realized. Even with X-rays, the front of the mechanism was mostly missing. How did it display the cosmos? Enter artificial intelligence. In 2021, a team at University College London used AI to reconstruct the lost planetary gearing. They fed scans, inscriptions, and ancient astronomical rules into a computer model. The AI tested thousands of gear arrangements, seeking a design that matched the evidence. The result: a plausible, elegant system of nested rings, each tracking a planet's motion. The model reproduced the complex, retrograde motions of the planets. For the first time, we glimpsed the mechanism as it once was, a cosmic clockwork in bronze. The AI didn't just guess, it resurrected the ambition of the original creator. The lost masterpiece was reborn, digitally, for the modern world to see. So, how did it function? Picture a bronze box, the size of a shoebox with a single handle. Turning the handle set a cascade of gears in motion, turning time itself. The front displayed the sun and moon moving through the zodiac and calendar. A silver ball showed the moon's phases, waxing and waning. The back featured spiral dials for the Metonic cycle and eclipse prediction. It tracked the Olympic Games and forecasted eclipses with remarkable accuracy. The Antikythera Mechanism was a portable planetarium and analog computer. One device unified the heavens and earth. It was a tool for astronomers, priests, and the elite. The Greeks modeled the cosmos in bronze, blending science and art. It was the ancient world's most sophisticated machine. The Antikythera Mechanism was a true computer. Its gears encoded astronomical algorithms. Turning the handle executed calculations, predicting celestial positions and eclipses. The device performed addition, subtraction, and division through gear ratios. Modeling the moon's motion and predicting eclipses required tracking overlapping cycles. All this complexity fit in a box just 34 centimeters tall. The gears were millimeters thick, cut with precision. This was no amateur's work. It was the product of a lost tradition of master engineers. The designer was both astronomer and machinist, blending theory and craftsmanship. The mechanism rewrites our view of the ancient world. The Greeks weren't just thinkers. They were builders of wonders. This device is the most advanced technology to survive from antiquity. It's a tangible link between ancient math and real-world machines. The Antikythera Mechanism is a lost chapter of history. It shatters the idea that ancient technology was simple. High-tech mechanics existed 2,500 years before we thought. Why was it lost? Perhaps the knowledge died with its creators, or was destroyed by conquest and time. The mechanism proves Greek astronomers could turn theory into working machines. Its creator, unknown to us, deserves a place among history's greatest minds. The discovery reminds us that history is not a straight line. Knowledge can be lost and found again. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a monument to a forgotten golden age. Our ancestors were far more ingenious than we ever imagined. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than ancient gears. It's a symbol of our quest to understand the universe. The same curiosity that built this device drives us to explore the cosmos today. Ancient and modern minds are linked by the pursuit of knowledge. The mechanism is a testament to science, reason, and human potential. Its rediscovery inspires us to keep searching for lost marvels. Even when knowledge is lost, it can be found again. We are the descendants of those ancient engineers. Their quest continues in us. The journey from Antikythera leads us ever further toward the stars.